All right, hello, 7th grade. We are learning about discounts and markups. This is actual real life stuff you can use on a daily basis, guys. Turn in your books to page 174 if you're not already there, and make sure you have your math journals and a piece of paper ready for the on your own. If you have not already written your key ideas and your vocab words in your journals, pause this video and do that now. It's just what you see here. So a discount is a decrease in the original price of the item. You'll also hear this referred to as a sale when something is discounted from full price or whatever. Markup. This is what stores do when they receive products. All stores, everybody does this whenever that's a consumer store. I guess that'd be a good way to say that. So they take what they paid for the price. So that's the store's original cost. And then they mark it up. So this is how they make their profit. The markup is how much they make. And then that equals the new price that they're selling it for. Okay? So you're going to learn how to do both of these today. So let's look at exam 1. All right, so this store is selling a pair of shorts. The original price is $35. What is the sale price? So you can see here that the sale of the short is 25% off. So in order to find the new price, you're going to take you're trying to find the sale price. Let's just represent that by S, sale price, equals the original price minus the discount. In order to find that, you're going to find the discount by taking the original amount and multiplying it times the percentage. So the first thing we need to do is $35 times percent, change it to decimals. So 25% would be 0.25. And then you're going to multiply that. So in this case, that would be 8.75. Now this is dollars, so technically this is $8.75. The $8.75, that's not the new price, that's the discount. So you have to subtract that from the original. So we're going to say $35 minus $8.75 gives you $26.25. So the new price of these shorts is $26.25. This is math you can do when you're shopping, guys. Now this is one method of how to do this. This is method 1. There is a second method, so let me show you the second method. I prefer this method just so you're aware. There seems to be less mistakes, but just in case you like the other way, that's fine too. So method 2, first you're going to find the percent of the original price. So remember, our shorts were 25% off. So 100% of the purchase price, subtract the sale price, so minus 25%, equals 75%. So they're saying that we're going to take these shorts and sell them at 75% instead of 100% of the cost. This actually makes sense too. So either way is fine, however you want to do it. So we're going to take the new price, so $35 times the new percentage, which is 0.75, written out as a decimal. So you would say 35 times 0.75, and you're going to get $26.25, which is your new price. So either way, you have two steps here. You can either do the equation first and then subtract the sale from the original price, or you can subtract the percent from the original percent and then do the equation. It doesn't matter to me. Either way, you should come out with the same answer. All right, so on your own, number 1, grab your piece of paper. The original price of a skateboard is $50. The sale price includes a 20% discount. What is the sale price? So I'm going to do, let's do method 2 for the first one. So I'm going to take 100%, because that's what it would cost for the skateboard, minus the 20%, means I'm going to sell this skateboard at 80% of the original cost. So now I'm going to do $50 times 0.8, because that's what 80% as a decimal is. So 50 times 0.8 is going to give you $40. So this is the new price of the skateboard. All right, let's look at example 2. All right, so in this example, we're selling a pair of shoes. So now this one gives you the sale percent and the new sale price. So they're actually asking you to find the original price, because the new price is $33 and we took 40% off. So this is where you're going to use that, where you subtract from the percentage. So the sale price, they did 100% minus 40% equals 60% of the original price. Okay, so the sale price was 60% of the original price. That's important. So what we need to do is find out what it is. 33%, let me use a different color here. $33, I'm sorry, is 60% of what number? Let me write that down. $33 is 60%, 60 of what number? Okay, you should recognize this. So we're going to do 33 equals 0.6 times W. So how do I get W? You just divide by 0.6, 0.6. So then $33 divided by 0.6 is going to be 55. So the original cost of these shoes was $55. Okay, pause this if you need to look at it and read through it. Make sure you understand this. It's very important. To find the original price, we subtracted the sale price from 100%, or the sale percentage, I'm sorry, to get how much we sold the shoes for. And then we needed to know that percentage of the number equals the new price they gave us. You just create an equation like I did and solve. Good. Holler if you have any questions. So now let's do example 3. I guess there wasn't really any information on this, but it's still a cute picture, so hey. All right, so in this case, we're selling a bicycle. The store paid $70 for this bicycle. So that was their original price. Okay, now they're going to sell it to their consumers, and they want to mark it up 20%. That's going to be their profit, 20% markup. What is the selling price? So this is very much like how we just solved the other problem, finding the original price, except for in this case, we're going to add the markup price to the original price after we've done the math. So the new number is going to be the percent times the markup. So I'm going to say, the percent times the original price. So I'm going to say $70 times 20%, which is 0.2. So 70 times 0.2 is going to give you 14. So this is the markup right here. That's the markup price. But in order to get the new selling price, you have to add it. So you say $70 plus $14 gives you $84. So the new sale price of this bicycle is $84. All right, whoops, turn the page. Let's do on your own number 2. The discount on a DVD is 50%. It is on sale for $10. What is the original price of the DVD? Okay, so the sale price is $10, which would be, remember we would do 100 minus the percentage, but since it's 50, we just know it's 50. So this is 50% of what number? And we make it a decimal by putting that. So then I just divide by 0.5, divide by 0.5. So W equals whatever 10 divided by 0.5, which is 20. Oh, well, that would make sense because 50%, you would just double this if you want to do it in your head. So the original price was $20. All right, let's look at on your own number 3. A store pays $75 for the aquarium. So this is the original price. The markup is 20%. That is an M and a K, or R and a K. Sorry about that. What is the selling price? So we're going to do 75 times 20%, which as a decimal would be 0.2. So 75 times 0.2. Whoops. 75 times 0.2, there we go, is 15. So that's the markup, $15, but we need to add it because it's asking us what's the selling price. So we're going to say 75 plus 15 equals $90. So the price of this aquarium is $90. That's the selling price. If you ever decide to be an entrepreneur, this is how you mark up your products. All right, and number 4 on your own says solve example 3 using a different method. Okay. So this is kind of a newer way you can do it. What we've been doing is finding the markup percent and multiplying that times 70. But in this case, remember they wanted it, times the $75. Example 3. Sorry, I was looking at on your own 3. So this is the bicycle. So we had a $70 bicycle. And we need to mark it up by 20%. Okay, originally what we did is we did 70 times 20% and then added that to 70. The other way you could do this when it's a markup, remember how we were subtracting for the discounts? We did 100 minus 20%. Well, when it's a markup, you can actually do 100% plus 20%. So this is going to give you 120%. This is the markup of your original price. So then that makes the math real easy. You do $70 times 120%, which if you move the decimal becomes 1.2. So then 70 times 1.2 is going to get you $84. So kind of a little bit faster method, I think, but really cool. So those are on your own and your examples. Make sure you've written all examples in your journals. This was lesson 4.3. And we did pages 174 to 170, and you need your homework's on 177, 76, and 77. So for the problems, you need to do numbers 4 through 20, and then 26 through 29. Holler if you have any questions. Make sure you take pictures of your work and submit it online, or turn it in at the drop-off every Tuesday. Thank you.